Welcome to this video on ChatGPT Vision for Teachers, exploring the era of multimodal AI in education. What exactly is ChatGPT Vision? It's a technology that analyzes and interprets visual inputs, identifying objects, text, and spatial relationships. It combines pixel data with natural language reasoning and is available in advanced models like GPT-4o. Multimodal AI matters because it breaks the text-only barrier, enabling context-rich learning where you can show, not just tell. It mirrors human learning, which is both visual and verbal, and increases accessibility for diverse learners. ChatGPT sees by being trained on massive image-text datasets, matching visual patterns to language concepts. It performs object detection, scene interpretation, and executes visual reasoning. A core feature is image understanding. Vision can instantly describe complex scenes, identify objects in context, and summarize visual details, even interpreting the mood and setting. Another core feature is text recognition, or OCR. It digitizes handwritten notes and whiteboard scribbles, extracts text from various materials, and bridges the gap between physical paper and digital AI. Diagram and graph analysis is also a core feature. It interprets quantitative data in charts, understands geometric relationships, and moves beyond static images to logic, guiding learners through step-by-step reasoning. Real-time camera assistance, available in advanced mobile versions, interprets the physical environment live. It can answer questions about objects in view, enabling point-and-ask interaction. Vision also integrates voice, offering a conversational interface where you can speak about what the AI sees. This enables hands-free teaching and mimics natural human guidance. In the science classroom, Vision can identify parts of biological diagrams, explain mechanical components, and clarify obscure labels. For example, it can answer questions about the function of a highlighted organelle. For mathematics, it acts as a homework tutor, visualizing geometry problems and providing guided explanations, not just answers, helping students understand the method. In geography, Vision analyzes geographic features and topography, explains complex map legends, and connects physical visuals to social science, like linking rivers to settlement patterns. For art and history, it identifies artistic elements and styles, provides historical context for primary sources, decodes symbolism in art, and brings museum pieces to life. Vision supports visual literacy skills by helping students interpret data-heavy media and modeling the analysis of charts and diagrams. This enhances critical thinking about sources and builds core cognitive skills. It enables personalized learning and differentiation by tailoring explanations to reading levels, translating text within images, and adapting output based on learner needs, such as generating simple summaries or advanced analyses. For accessibility and inclusive education, Vision provides rich image descriptions for the visually impaired and converts visual text to audio. This levels the playing field and supports diverse learning styles. Vision also offers teacher productivity benefits, including rapid digitization of analog materials, assistance in grading handwriting, accelerating lesson planning, and facilitating collaboration on visuals. However, there are limitations. AI is not perfect, and hallucinations occur. It may misinterpret low-quality images, so teacher verification is mandatory. Critical assessment of AI output is a valuable learning opportunity. When considering privacy and ethical guidelines, adhere strictly to privacy laws. Never upload photos of student faces or other personally identifiable information. Always obtain consent for classroom use and avoid sensitive data in prompts. The future of AI vision includes evolution toward AR/VR integration, enhanced real-time analytics, and conversational multimodal AI. We encourage you to experiment responsibly with these powerful new tools in your classroom.